Who else suffers from large pores?
2 out of 2.
Guilty. It's just so bad. It makes everything look bad when you have large pores. And unfortunately, there's nothing you could do about it getting smaller. But you can do things to make the appearance look smaller. So we're here today to show you guys a cool DIY pore minimizer. And what it's gonna do is it's a mask, and it's gonna make you look like, after you do the mask, it's gonna make your pores look smaller
while also cleaning out the pores.
Yes. So
double.
So what pores are basic, like the reason they're getting big and big because it's oils and dirt getting clogged into those small pores.
Yeah.
And eventually it just gets expanding and getting bigger. So this DIY clay mask, clay is really good for pores. It's gonna detoxify and purify your skin, which is what we need.
And activated charcoal is really good for cleansing that out as well.
Yes.
So the combination of both of them is amazing.
So it's super simple. All we need is 3 teaspoons of bentonite clay.
Okay.
Do your fun fact about bentonite clay. Remember
when
she does this for any time we use bentonite clay.
Okay, whenever you're using bentonite clay, you cannot use a metal spoon because it deactivates the benefits of bentonite clay. So use either a wood spoon, which who has wood spoons, or a plastic spoon if you have that.
There you go. Fun fact from Ani. 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal and 1 teaspoon of either distilled water or if you have rose water at home.
And a lot of activated charcoals come in actual tablets, so you just have to open up the tablet and turn it into the powder.
All we did is just open it up. We opened 3 of them, so that's about 1 teaspoon. All right. So 3 of these bad boys. 1, 2, 3.
And then we're going to add the water to the powder mixture and mix it up really well. And turn it into a clay. If you feel like your powder is too thick, it's okay to add a little bit more water to get it to this type of consistency where it literally feels like a charcoal mask. Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay.
Let's get rid of those large pores, Ani.
Let's do it, Nora. I'm ready. Bye-bye pores. You really don't have pores underneath your eye, so there's no need to put it there.
It's mainly your T-zone.
Yes. And then we're gonna let this mask dry a little bit before we take it off.
Anytime you put a mask on, I recommend leaving it on for about 15 minutes.
Oh, my forehead, I forgot about it.
Yeah. Got those pores there too. Alright, so we're gonna wait for 15 minutes and wash it and let you guys know how we like it.
Ooh.
Voila! One note though, make sure that you wait until the mask fully dries before you attempt to remove it, because if you remove it when it's still kind of wet and not dry, it'll actually clog your pores more.
And it may leave some gray marks on your face, which will wash off, but it's better to just let it dry and let it do its thing. Yeah. And your face will be really dry afterward, and that's totally normal. We actually just put some moisturizer on too. Yeah. That means it worked.
Yay!
Yay! Well, leave us some comments below of other DIYs or skin problems you guys want us to figure out how to help you with.
Yay! We'll see you next time.
Bye!